Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or hide the Brave reward button from appearing on the Brave web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Brave web browser and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select the settings gear button. And now on the left side, you want to select the appearance button. And then on the right side, you want to go underneath toolbar and just scroll down. And where it says Brave Rewards button, if you want to enable that view, you want to toggle to the right. It should be lit up blue. Conversely, if you want to disable the Brave Reward button, click inside that oval until it's grayed out. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.